All right, plumbing layout for the sink cabinet, as long as the plumbing is within, from the left, say 54 to 84, farm sink. So the bottom of the farm sink is going to be in this position. So off the floor, if we come up, the max height or to the bottom of the sink is 25 inches. So centered on the window, obviously that one's pretty straightforward. Let's see, all these vanities, utility room. So this is the utility room, dog bowl area. This cabinet is 16.5 inches off the floor. And the width of the cabinet's 29.5. The center of that cab is about 16.5. Guest bath, this one's pretty straightforward, centered, and just an undermount sink. Master, east wall, the width of that cabinet's 30. So the center of that would be 16.5 because it's 1.5 inches off the wall. It's the north wall, same thing, centered, pretty straightforward. Bathroom 2 and 3, these are both easy, centered. Bath 3, centered. Mudroom, nothing there. Mudroom, nothing here. Guest vanity, that's nothing right now. That should be it. Any questions? Give me a call. All right, layout for plumbing. The kitchen sink centered on the window, obviously, and it's an apron sink, and the bottom of that apron sink is about 25.25 inches off the floor. And that's it for the kitchen. Pantry is pretty straightforward, centered on that window. Pantry, this one's centered on the window, undermount, pretty straightforward. The only tricky one is in the utility room with the dog bowl underneath right here. So that cabinet is 16.25 off the ground. Width of the cabinet's here, 29.5, and it's 1.5 inches off the wall for center position, but that cabinet is 16.25 off the ground. So the inside of the cabinet's 17 when you're setting that for the P-trap. Guest bath, the rest of the vanities are pretty straightforward, centered, undermount sinks. You can see the name there. Master bath. Center of this would be 16.5 off the left. Master on the north wall, centered. Bath 2 and 3, centered. Mudroom. Yeah, no sink in there. And the mudroom on the left wall when you walk in, nothing there. I believe that is it as far as plumbing. But any questions, give me a call. Thanks.